Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to reset the service light on your 2023 and newer Suzuki V-Strom 800. The first thing we need to do is remove our seat. Now underneath the seat, you have this red connector. So Suzuki wants you to use a toggle switch or a dongle to connect to this, and it's going to put the bike in dealer mode. But if you don't want to buy the special tool and you don't want to go to the dealer, we're going to show you another way to get this done. But if you do happen to have the tool, you can just clip it in and flip the switch. It's going to work the same as what we're doing right now. So you can see we have this flat edge right here, and we need to jump these upper corners together. So I've stripped the ends of my jumper wire. I've plugged that in there. You want to make sure it's a good connection or it's not going to work. But with that connected just like that, it's the same as having that toggle switch, and we can go up to the dash. Up here at the dash, I'm going to turn the key on. You're going to see that screen that says DTC for a second. If you don't see that, it means the jumper wire is not connected all the way. Now from here, we're going to use these arrows and the mode button. So I'm going to hold the up arrow for a couple seconds. That's going to bring up your menu. Just scroll down and hit mode for enter. We're going into service info. Scroll down to next service. And then we have the option to reset. So if your jumper wire is not completely connected, it's not going to give you the option to reset. So if it's not popping up for some reason, look into that. You also want to make sure you have the correct date on your bike. So from here we can hit mode, and this is going to give us a 1-year interval. We can change that to whatever we want, but that sounds good to me. And this is going to give you a 600 mile to 7,500 mile range to reset the interval. So you want to look at your owner's manual or service manual and see when the next service is due. So for us, that's going to be 3,750. The closest option we have is 3,700 miles. So we're going to go ahead and set that there. And from here, we can just exit. And we're good to go. So that's it for resetting the service light on your Suzuki V-Strom 800. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. If you need any service items for your bike, you can find that stuff on our website. Just click the link in the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.